The idea of DJI launching its first mirrorless camera has sparked huge excitement across the tech and photography world, especially with growing reports that the company is preparing to reveal the device at CES 2026. DJI has already built a strong reputation through its drones, gimbals, and compact cameras, but a proper mirrorless camera would mark a major shift, signaling that DJI is ready to compete directly with the biggest brands in photography. Over the years, DJI has expanded into many imaging areas, and their partnership with Hasselblad strengthened their color science and image processing experience even more. Because of that, many people believe this new camera will mix DJI's video-focused design ideas with Hasselblad's classic photography DNA. In terms of design, the rumored DJI mirrorless camera is expected to follow a modern, compact, and hybrid-friendly layout. Early leaks suggest a body that blends the shape of a traditional mirrorless camera with some of DJI's own ergonomic ideas. The camera will likely use the L-mount system, since DJI is a member of the L-mount Alliance, making it compatible with lenses from companies like Leica, Sigma, and Panasonic. This alone gives the camera a huge advantage because users would not be limited to a new lens ecosystem. The build is expected to be lightweight but strong, possibly using a magnesium alloy frame to withstand professional use. DJI's history with weather-sealed drones and action cameras also hints that the new mirrorless body might include some level of dust and splash resistance, making it suitable for outdoor creators, travelers, and videographers who often face unpredictable shooting conditions. The sensor is one of the most talked about parts of this rumored camera. According to early reports, DJI is possibly preparing a full-frame sensor, likely around 45 megapixels. This would place the camera in the same category as high-end hybrid models, such as the Sony A7R lineup or Canon R5, giving users a mix of sharp detail and strong low-light performance. DJI's past collaborations with Hasselblad could play a major role here, especially in color science. Hasselblad is known for clean, natural, and balanced tones, so if DJI adapts that color profile into its mirrorless system, photographers can expect beautiful skin tones, rich landscapes, and cinematic color straight out of the camera. The sensor is also rumored to include advanced dynamic range performance, allowing creators to capture more detail in bright skies and dark shadows. If these capabilities are confirmed at CES 2026, DJI could immediately position itself as a strong competitor for both professional photography and high-end content creation. Autofocus performance is another major area where DJI has the potential to stand out. Though the company has not made standalone mirrorless cameras before, it has developed excellent tracking technology in its drones and gimbals. These systems already use intelligent subject detection, face tracking, and even predictive movement tracking. For the mirrorless camera, rumors suggest that DJI may incorporate a deep learning-based autofocus system, capable of identifying people, animals, vehicles, and fast-moving subjects. The autofocus might include advanced eye tracking, continuous AF for video, and strong low-light focusing support. If DJI successfully integrates its drone tracking algorithms into a camera sensor, the autofocus could become one of the most advanced systems released in recent years. One of the biggest expectations for the DJI mirrorless camera is its video performance because DJI is already a leader in filmmaking technology. Reports suggest that the camera may support 4K video at up to 120 frames per second, giving smooth, slow-motion footage. Some leaks even hint at 10-bit recording, ProRes RAW, or other professional codecs that many hybrid shooters demand. This would make the camera ideal for filmmakers, YouTubers, wedding videographers, travel vloggers, and commercial video creators. DJI also has years of experience making cameras for aerial cinematography, which means their processing pipeline is already optimized for clear detail, stable frames, and minimal rolling shutter. If those strengths carry over into their mirrorless system, the camera could become one of the most powerful video-centric devices on the market. One of DJI's signature strengths is stabilization, and this is where the camera could truly stand out from rivals. Rumors suggest that DJI may include a 4-axis or even 5-axis in-body image stabilization system, IBIS, inspired by its Ronin and Osmo products. If accurate, this could give users incredibly smooth handheld footage without needing a separate gimbal. DJI might also combine digital stabilization with optical and mechanical stabilization, creating a layered system that reduces shake more effectively than typical mirrorless cameras. For people who shoot travel videos, documentaries, or run-and-gun content, this feature alone could make the DJI Mirrorless Camera a must-have tool. DJI also tends to focus on fast and convenient workflows. The camera is expected to support modern wireless features such as Wi-Fi 6 for faster transfers, Bluetooth for quick pairing, and maybe even cloud-connected features for automatic backups. The company's mobile apps are already widely used, so a companion app for wireless remote control, live previews, or instant sharing is very likely. Professional shooters may also benefit from a full-size HDMI port, USB-C video output, and dual card slots for secure recording. Based on everything we know, this upcoming DJI mirrorless camera, expected at CES 2026, seems built for hybrid creators who want one device for both photos and video. It is also likely to appeal to drone filmmakers who already work within the DJI ecosystem, YouTubers who need strong stabilization and fast autofocus, travel shooters who want a reliable all-in-one camera, and photographers interested in high-resolution stills. Since DJI already delivers excellent results in drones and cinema cameras, this new step into the mirrorless world could attract both professionals and serious hobbyists. While everything remains unconfirmed until DJI takes the stage at CES 2026, the rumors suggest a camera that could reshape the mirrorless world. With a powerful sensor, strong autofocus, impressive video features, advanced stabilization, and the trusted L-mount system, DJI seems ready to challenge brands like Sony, Canon, and Nikon. If the final product matches even half of the expectations, DJI's first mirrorless camera could become one of the most talked about launches of the year and a major shift for photographers and filmmakers everywhere. And now, all signs point to DJI possibly unveiling its first full-frame mirrorless camera by December 2025, with wider availability likely around CES 2026. If DJI delivers just a fraction of the rumored specs, L-mount versatility, strong video, stabilization, and Hasselblad-style colors, this could be the most talked-about hybrid camera launch in years.